Now I am taking a problem which is based on ellipse. Find all informations meaning by center, vertex, focus, directrix, eccentricity, LLR, equation of axis, equation of minor axis, equation of major axis, equation of directrix, focal length, each and every information we need to tell if the equation of ellipse is given by 16x square plus 25y square is equals to 400. First of all, I will bring this problem in the standard form. That is, we will divide it by 400 both the sides to make RHS 1. This become x square upon 25 plus y square upon 16 is equals to 1, which can be written as x square upon 5 square plus y square upon 4 square is equals to 1. This is actually the equation of the ellipse in the standard form, for which we want to find all required informations as per demand of the question. So first of all, we must bring out the problem in the proper form of x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equals to 1 as we have brought. Here answer of a is 5 by comparing it with the standard, and b is 4. Clearly a is greater than b. So we will choose, we will opt, this is the ellipse of type 1. Only two basic informations of an ellipse A and B are sufficient to tell anything about it. First of all, we talk about the center. The center of the ellipse will be 0, 0. Second, the vertex. The vertex is given by plus minus a, 0, that is plus minus 5, 0. Then if I tell you how to get its eccentricity, formula is root of 1 minus b square upon a square. It is 1 minus b square upon a square, which comes out 1 minus b square means 25, a square means 16. So b square is what? 16 upon 25. On subtracting, we will get 25 minus 16, that is 9 by 25 square root, that will give us 3 by 5. Eccentricity of this ellipse is 3 by 5. Then fourth information, that is the foci. Foci is plus minus AE, 0. A is 5, E is 3 by 5. So this become plus minus 3, 0. The coordinates of the foci. Center, vertex, eccentricity, foci. Now I would like to tell you what is its length of latus rectum. Fourth information, that is LLR, in this case is 2b square upon a. That become 2 into 5 into 5 upon 2b square. That is 2 into 4 into 4 upon a means 5. 4 4 ja 16 2 ja 32 upon 5. This is the length of latus rectum. Now I will like to tell you what is the length of major axis. L of major axis. Major axis is given by 2a, that is 2a means 10. Then length of minor axis, the length of minor axis is given by 2b, that is 2 into 4 gives us 8. Now the next information, what is the equation of the major axis? Here this major axis will be given by y is equals to 0. Equation of the major axis. Equation of major axis is x axis, that is y is equals to 0 for this type. Equation of minor axis is x is equals to 0. And then what is the equation of directrix? X is equals to plus minus a by e, that is x is equals to plus minus a means 5, and e was 3 upon 5. So this become x is equals to 25 upon 3 with plus minus. One more word problem based on ellipse I am taking. A man running race course notes that the sum of distances from the two flag posts from him is 10 meters. In case of parabola, it is open, there cannot be a race course. In case of the hyperbola, which I will explain you, is also extended indefinitely, symmetric curve, there is also not possible. So, a man is running a race course, the shape is like this. Vertex coordinate a comma 0, this is minus a comma 0. Two foci S and S dash, a comma 0 and minus a comma 0. He finds the distance from the two flag posts from him is 10 meter. These are the two flag posts, that is answer of 2a is 10, or you can say a is 5. And distance between the flag posts, that is this distance is AE and this distance is minus AE. So answer of 2AE is given to you 8, but you can say AE is 4 and A is calculated 5. So the eccentricity comes 4 upon 5. Eccentricity is 4 upon 5. Then with the help of the eccentricity we can calculate the value of B. We have A, we have E. Eccentricity is given by one of this, root of 1 minus B square upon A square, 1 minus B square upon A square. E is what? 4 upon 5, that is 16 upon 25 is equals to 1 minus B square upon A. A is what? 5. Its square is 25. On simplifying this, we will get B is 3. Equation of the ellipse for this path will be taken as x square upon A square plus y square upon B square is 1. X square upon A square plus y square upon B square is 1 means x square upon A square, A is 5, this is 25, plus y square upon B square, that is 9, is equals to 1. So this is the required equation of that path as required to us under the given conditions to solve.